Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important and it contains a very beautiful and classy style design ideas of dresses. That is how you can design your dresses with the art of hand embroidery by sitting at your home, by giving a very mesmerizing and eye-catchy touch to your dress designing. But before going further into the details of our video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel yet, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, different styles of shirts like short kurti, long kurti, middle length, medium length kurti, like frocks, maxis, gowns, and different style patterns have been shown. But the beauty and the classy style of this whole video is that you can get entirely amazing and stylish easy ideas, and by following these design patterns, these exact embroidery color combination, you can design a designer style dress of your own by sitting at your home, by utilizing your free time into a very creative and beautiful activity. So don't forget to watch my videos. Hope to see you soon back on my channel, and on my channel you can get all types of creative and amazing stylish design ideas related to women fashion on daily basis. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. See you soon back in my new video.